Hey everyone, today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem number 341342. Problem number says the number of steps to reduce a number to 0. Now we will going to read a detailed description about problem. Given an integer num, return the num of step to reduce it to 0. In one step, if the current number is even, you have to divide it by 2, otherwise you have to subtract 1 from it. So now the problem statement says that you have given a number and we have to calculate the steps to convert a number into 0. So if the number is even, then we have to divide by 2, and if the number is odd, then we have to subtract number minus 1. So here we are going to calculate the number of time steps of number of time the nums has been divided or been subtracted to convert the number into 0. So our fundamental is clear that we have to calculate number of steps. So let me introduce one variable which will calculate number of steps. Here we are not sure that how many times our loop will run, so we will use for loop. By while loop, sorry, not for loop, we will use while loop. While loop says that if you don't know how many number of times you have to run the loop, then we will use while loop. While loop we have to add one condition as uh, ha- it will run for that time. It will true for that value which is not equals to 0. In this, we will we will add one if condition. In if condition, we will check that the number is equals to the number is even or not. As nums percentage 2 equals to 0, it says that num divided by 2, and it does not if it does not equals to 0, that remainder does not equals to 0, then it is odd number. And if dividing num with 2, we will get 0 in remainder, then it is an even number. So if this is even number, then we will divide this by 2, and we will also increase the count by 1. In else condition, if the number is even, then it will goes into if condition, and if the number is odd, then it will obviously come into else. Else says that if the if condition doesn't true, then you will directly come to else. In else, we will subtract the num by 1. Num equals to num minus 1, and count must be plus plus. Here we have solved our question, and let me return the steps as step is in count. So let me check our test cases. Our test cases has been accepted, and for now the runtime is 0 milli per second. Now I will submit my problem solution. The problem has been successfully passed through 204 test cases, and runtime is 0 milli per second, and it has been used memory 7.7 MB. So thank you very much.